AWS Neuron is the software development kit or SDK for Amazon EC2 Inferentia and Trainium based instances purpose built for generative AI. Just today, AWS has announced that with Neuron 2.15 release, they will support Llama 2 70 billion model training as well as PyTorch 2 support. And this is a huge news because AWS has been lagging in supporting a lot of open source models, especially the Llama ones. But now, if you want to do any training, especially training, I would say, on Inferentia or Trainium based EC2s, then you can simply use Neuron SDK to do that. Neuron or AWS Neuron integrates with popular machine learning frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow, so you can get started with minimal code changes and without vendor specific solutions. If you read more detail about this neuron and this new release of 2.15, then it has quite a lot of great features such as Neuron includes a compiler, runtime, profiling tools, and libraries to support high performance training of generative AI models on Trainium instances or TRN1 instances and inferences on INF2 instances. So this release has added Llama to 70 billion model training support with Neuron distributed library and also add beta support for PyTorch 2. You can use AWS Neuron SDK to train and deploy models on Trainium 1 and Inferentia instances, which are available in AWS, not all of them, but few of the AWS regions such as US East 1, US West 1, and Ohio region. You can use on-demand instances, reserved instances, and also spot instances, or better yet, use savings plan to use these Trainium and Inferentia instances. Now, if you look at this feature set, which has been included in this uh, documentation by AWS, there are a lot of stuff which I have just mentioned, such as there is PyTorch Neuron, and then there is AWS Neuron reference from Nemo Megatron library, and then as I mentioned, there is a Neuron compiler here, which is Neuron XCC, and there are a lot of tools and documentation available. I'll drop the link to this in video description so that you can read along more about packages and what components are included. So this is it, guys. I hope that you found it interesting. If you have any questions or if you haven't worked in Neuron, let me know. And if you want me to make any video on Neuron SDK, please share it, the thought in the comments, and I'll be happy to do so. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.